Hello guys, we will be doing new zeros LeetCode number 283. This is sorry, I forgot to remove the solution actually. This is a very easy question to be done for a beginner. What we have to do is we have been given an array nums and we have to move all the zeros to the end of the array. And it has very simple logic. We don't have to use any other array, extra array. It's given in the here that we don't have to make a copy of the array, but we can do it by a simple logic that if the number is zero, we can leave it, and if it's not zero, we can add it to the first of the array. So let's see how we will do this. We will first run a loop to traverse through the array. I plus plus, and now we will also declare a temporary variable in temp t is equal to 0, and we will give here an if statement at if nums of I is equal to 0. Yes. Continue, else nums of temp plus plus is equal to nums of I. What happens here is when we encounter an 0, the loop does nothing. It goes back and increases the value of I. And when loop encounters a non-zero number, it adds it to the zeroth index and increases it by 1. So that's it. And now we have to add the rest of the zeros to the end of the array. No, I mean we have to make the rest of the numbers in the array 0, the last number. See, when we move 1 to 0th index, it becomes 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 12. Then when we encounter the next non-zero number 2, then we move it to second index, that is 1 comma 2 comma 0 comma 2 comma 13. Then we encounter 13, we move it to third index, that is 2, 1 comma 2 comma 0, 1 comma 2 comma 13 comma 2 comma 13. Now what we have to do, we have to make this 2 and 13 also 0, so that our 0 is moved to the last of the array. So what we do is we run a loop again. I is equal to from t. I is less than I, and nums of I is equal to 0. That's it. And we don't have to return anything because the return type is void. Let's run it, guys. Okay, we have encountered some errors. Return type. Acha, I have done something. Wait. Let's see. Let's submit it, guys. We have passed the test cases. Let's submit it. Let's see. Okay. That's it, guys. Thank you.